G'day guys, Rocky here from Mat Agri. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of the Kura Mat, that for 90% of our projects is the best option. In this video, we'll cover where does Kura come from, its dimensions, its design features, its benefits, and its product warranty and durability. Starting with where Kura was made. We source Kura from Kraiburg in Germany. Kraiburg is generally regarded to be the best manufacturer of animal rubber matting in the world, with over 75 years of experience, so you're in good hands with this product. The mat itself is made from vulcanized, recycled rubber, which makes it exceptionally durable and eco-friendly. Kura is known to last well over 10 years, even in heavy traffic areas. A standard sheet of Kura has a length of 1190mm, a width of 850mm, and a thickness of 25mm. That means each mat covers roughly a square metre of ground. The edges of this mat are designed to interlock together with one another for seamless coverage. Each edge is Waterjet-Cut to give the tightest possible fit. As well as this, we can also custom cut Kura sheets with our in-house facilities to meet any specific requests. We also can provide Kura edges, specifically designed to interlock with the Kura Mat. This edge mat provides a beveled edge, which enhances safety by minimising trip hazards, offering a smoother transition onto the mat and minimising the chance of effluent being washed underneath the mat. Kura is exceptionally well rounded, with grip, comfort, durability and ease of installation all in mind. Kura's unique anti-slip surface reduces slips and is easy to clean, and if you flip it over you'll find it has 5mm high cushioning studs on the base that provide excellent comfort and shock absorption. Our farmers say the cows practically dance into the shed after installing Kura. Each Kura mat weighs 25 kgs each, which makes it light enough for one person to handle. Installation is straightforward, with each mat being laid out and joined together. The mats are anchored with our unique 3-piece stainless steel anchors, which makes the surface compatible with vehicle traffic such as tractors. Generally, deer and equine applications don't need anchoring. The benefits of installing Kura mats in dairy applications have been studied, showing a 78% reduction in hoof damage over 12 months. Milk yield also improves, with studies showing a 3.3% increase per cow in milk yield due to improved walking comfort, and a much larger increase across the whole herd from lameness reductions. The Kura is backed by a 10-year warranty, ensuring more than a decade of reliable service. For more information, check out the Kura product page on our website.